What is horticulture?
I bet you're thinking horticulture is just about flowers and plants, right?
Yeah, but it's so much more.
It's science.
It's nature.
It's messy.
It's life, and it's all around us.
Everywhere, every day. And if you're not careful, you might just stumble across it.
Horticulture is really the mix of science and art. It differs from botany and other plant sciences in that horticulture incorporates both science and aesthetics, which is how things look.
It focuses on the production and growth of high-quality fruits and vegetables, which allows us to maintain a healthy, balanced daily diet. It also focuses on the growth of flowers and ornamental plants that make our homes and communities beautiful.
Think about a beautiful garden or park that you visited, or that delicious apple that you ate. Chances are it was designed and created by someone in horticulture.
My boyfriend has got me some really beautiful flowers for Valentine's Day.
Guess who made those? This guy.
But being a florist is just one of the many careers horticulture has to offer.
You can be a plant breeder, geneticist, or a soil scientist.
How about a turfgrass management specialist?
You know the football field your favorite team plays on every week? Well, someone with a background in horticulture is responsible for maintaining it.
But horticulture isn't just about things that grow. It's also about things that can be filled. You can study the construction aspect of horticulture and become a landscape architect, greenhouse producer, or a hardscaping and landscaping contractor.
Wait, what?
It means you can learn how to design and build something like this.
Or this?
Or this.
Did you know that you can grow vegetables and herbs while also raising fish? It uses a fraction of the water of conventional methods.
What about plants growing on a roof or a wall to reduce stormwater runoff, conserve energy, improve air quality, and add aesthetic beauty to urban areas?
Horticulture is also a cutting-edge science that needs people who are scientific, but also creative to help invent sustainable practices that will help ensure a healthy future for all of us.
That sounds like it's a pretty important career.
So there you have it, your first lesson in horticulture. I bet you learned something new. But now, are you ready to learn more? Check out Berks Career Technology Center's Horticulture Program to get more information about all the possibilities that horticulture has to offer.